A law professor was giving an evening class. There were 20 students in the class, and one of the students named Alexis was disrupting the class. So the professor asked Alexis to leave the class. But Alexis refused, and the professor called the campus police and had Alexis expelled from the class. As the police were dragging Alexis out of the class, he shouted, "You may have your reasons for doing this, professor, but you are wrong." The professor replied, "I don't want to hear another word from you. Get out." And the students watched silently as this happened. After Alexis left the classroom, the professor looked at the remaining 19 students and asked, "Why didn't any of you say anything? Why didn't any of you object?" The students said, "We thought you had it under control, professor." The professor said, "No, I didn't have it under control. I needed each one of you to say something. I needed each one of you to stop me. Why didn't you speak up? Why didn't you object?" The students were silent. The professor continued, "You know, there are two types of justice. One is when we go to court, and there is another type of justice which we should practice in our day-to-day lives. Laws can only protect us if we participate in them. A law is only as strong as the people who enforce it. Laws protect our rights, but only if we the people uphold them together. Laws are only words. They don't mean anything if we don't participate in them. So I needed each one of you to speak up. I needed each one of you to say something." The professor said, "You know, some of you might think that this doesn't concern you. You might think to yourself, why should I get involved in other people's problems? That's not my problem. If you think like that, you are very wrong. Don't think that, because today you are safe. Tomorrow you may be the one facing injustice. We need to look out for each other. We need to stand up for each other. We are only safe if we stick together." The professor said, "So when you see someone being treated unfairly, don't just stand there and watch. Don't be a bystander. Speak up. Say something. Do something. We need to be a community. We need to look out for each other. We need to be there for each other. Don't think that this doesn't concern you, because if you do, you are very wrong. We need to care about each other's problems, because if we don't, we are not just hurting others, we are also hurting ourselves. Because when we allow injustice to happen, we are also weakening ourselves, our society, our world. So let's all remember this. Let's all remember Alexis. Let's all remember what happened here today. And let's all try to do better next time. Let's all try to be better human beings, better citizens, better members of society. Thank you.